In the carob forest in Chiclayo, it is possible to find the Peruvian plant cutter, a species in danger of extinction. Close by in the ravines of Lambayeque and Chaparri highlands, the white-winged guan has reappeared after being considered extinct for 100 years. In Cajamarca, the gray-bellied comet, another threatened species, is protected by area residents. These three species are not found anywhere else.
Peru has an incredible diversity of birds, second only to Colombia in the world in number of species. With over 1,800 species, it's got a lot to offer the visitor. It also has a large number of species that are special, only found here or in neighboring areas. It's got 117 species that you can only see in Peru, so the birdwatcher who wants to see those birds has to come to Peru.
The Amazonas region is the gateway to the Amazon and the land of the ancient Chachas, who built the high-walled stone fortresses in Cuelap. In this area and areas nearby, visitors can easily observe one of the most spectacular species in the world,
the marvelous spatula tail.
The Abra Patricia is another preferred spot for birdwatchers. Home to the royal sun angel and other species who do not feel threatened or disturbed here.
La importancia del aviturismo lo que hace es resaltar la necesidad de la creación de mayores áreas naturales protegidas donde realmente se puede ir a ver las aves. Hay ejemplos muy claros hoy día con todo el boom de las áreas de conservación privada, las áreas de conservación municipal y también las áreas de conservación regional.
The Pacaya Samilia Reserve in Loreto is part of the route, and the Yacotaitas, native Indians, who are organized and trained to manage ecotourism, guide us with expert hands, sharing the amazing biodiversity the reserve has to offer and their profound knowledge of the forest with visitors.
Los guías locales son importantísimos, lo mismo que las áreas preservadas por comunidades locales. A veces especies rarísimas se conservan en pequeños bolsones que son solo conocidos o cuidados por comunidades.